and welcome to Ramadan Recipes, where I make savoury and sweet dishes for you, for your sehri and for your iftar. But today I'm going to be making something called vermicelli rice. This is a dish especially from Oman, where it's a staple during iftar. Here are the ingredients on how to make vermicelli rice. We're going to start with some water, some ghee, salt, vermicelli, olive oil, basmati rice and some green cardamom pods. Here's the how to prepare vermicelli rice. So to make the vermicelli rice, I'm going to take a saucepan and then add in the ghee, like so. This is on a medium to low heat. Spread that across the pan and then also add in the oil as well. Let that all mix together. Raise the heat slightly if you need to. And then add in the cardamom pods. So make sure all the ghee is melted and really well mixed with the oil as well. And now I'm going to add in the vermicelli. So what you want to do is make sure all of the vermicelli is coated with the ghee and the oil mixture. Stir it along so that everything is well placed out in the pan and it's cooking so that it becomes a little bit more golden and toasted. Keep stirring so that nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan and it doesn't become burnt. And it should be about around 2 minutes for this to happen. So I've allowed the vermicelli to become a bit more toasty and golden, and it's really well coated with ghee as well. Now I'm going to add in the rice. And then give that a stir, reduce the heat slightly as well, but stir gently so that you get all of the vermicelli mixed in with the rice and there's not really clumps of the vermicelli in the pan. Now add in the salt, stir that in and be gentle with the stirring so that the rice grains don't break either. And now what you want to do is add in the water, like so. Bring that to the boil. This is going to take about 2 to 3 minutes to come to the boil on a high heat. Give that a stir. So while you're stirring the rice, make sure you stir gently, so don't let the rice grains break, and also so that it's well mixed in with the vermicelli. So now that it's coming to the boil, you can see it bubbling up. I'm going to lower the heat, but I'm going to cover it first before it happens. So cover that. Lower the heat and come back to it after around 15-20 minutes or until the rice is cooked through. So I've now let it cook through for around 15 minutes and you can see that the rice is actually a little bit more tender and it's cooked through, and also the vermicelli is really soft as well and it's really well mixed in with the rice. The vermicelli rice is actually really high in fibre, perfect for keeping you full for longer, so it's great for iftar and also for sehri as well. So it actually makes you feel less hungry and keeps you full for the next day. So let's take another look at the ingredients that we're going to need to make vermicelli rice. recap of the instructions on how to prepare vermicelli rice. To make the vermicelli rice, wash and drain the rice and set that aside. Then heat the oil and ghee in a saucepan and add the vermicelli and cardamoms. Stir fry this for 3 minutes until the vermicelli becomes golden. Add the rice and the salt and stir on a medium heat for 3 minutes. Pour in the water and bring to the boil uncovered. Then reduce the heat and cover with a lid and simmer on a low heat for 15 to 20 minutes or until the rice is cooked through. Then serve hot with fish or meat dishes. So I hope you've enjoyed making the vermicelli rice with me today, and make sure you make it for your iftar as well. It's great for making it on a regular basis, stopping you from feeling hungry. Ramadan Mubarak.